Hey, Maknaim from MemberStack here, and welcome to MemberScript 151. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a super clean onboarding tour for members using a free and open source library called Intro.js. The script is perfect if you want to guide new users around your product page or product dashboard for the first time when they've logged in. So when a member logs in for the first time, they'll see a step-by-step guided tour, and it highlights specific elements on the page and gives them useful tips. They can then click the next button or go back like this. And there's even a progress bar to show them how far along they are. The best part is it only shows once, and after that it won't pop up again. Now let me go into Webflow and show you exactly how to set this up. So in Webflow, the first thing you're going to want to do is to add MemberScript 151, and it should look like this. You should also remember to add the Intro.js script. This you can simply copy and paste into your head tag, and there's nothing you have to edit or be concerned about over here. So just copy that over as is. So if you're watching this from YouTube, the link to this code should be in the description below, so you can easily grab it from there. And if you're watching this from the MemberStack site, then you should have already seen the code. On the page, you are now going to add the following attributes. So the container that will hold all of your steps, you are now going to add. So this is my div that will hold all the steps. So you're now going to add the attribute of MS-code tour and equals to true. Set that as true. And then for every step that you want a user to see, you're going to add the attribute of MS Code and then the number of that step. So in this case, dashboard is the first step that I want a user to see, and that will be number 1. And then you're going to add the attribute of MS Code intro, and then the value. Now here's where you can define what exactly you want the user to see in terms of a helpful guide or a tip. This is where you typically edit the text for that section. Same goes for the next step. So I have MS Code step here, and then it's 2, MS Code intro, and then I've defined this to be completely different from step 1. All right, and on the page, you should add a code embed over here. And this embed is the one that will basically give your tooltip container some style. So if you want to change out the button color, the color of the container, this is where you typically come edit it. So for example, over here, my tooltip container, so I just show you this one, is currently white. So if you want to change that to another color, you'd come change out the color here. And then you'd see there is a section over here for the next button here, and then this one controls the previous button. So if you want to add style to your tooltip, the code embed is where you'd change it out. Otherwise, you could just leave this as is, save and close, and publish your site. And that's it. Now you're able to give your users a tour of your product. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the code. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the Slack 2.0 channel. Bye.